Hello, welcome to our channel. Before continuing, please remember to subscribe and enable notification bell, so you will be able to get all notification. To become proficient in trading, it is essential to have an organized strategy that begins with the fundamentals and advances to more complex ideas. But getting access to learning materials can somewhat difficult, so we have added links below video description to where you can get all the books listed here in PDF for free. Here's a detailed overview of the top Forex books tailored for different stages of your learning process, whether you're just starting out or an experienced trader. Beginner level. 1. The book titled A Currency Trading for Dummies is authored by Kathleen Brooks and Brian Dolan. This book simplifies the concept of trading by explaining currency pairs basics and market mechanics along with fundamental analysis tips, making it an excellent resource for beginners in the world of trading. 2. A Forex for Beginners by Anna Cooling simplifies ideas using language such as interpreting charts effectively and grasping market patterns to create fundamental trading tactics. 3. The Little Book of Currency Trading written by Kathy Learn. Learn offers tips on trading tactics and risk control while analyzing the market trends for beginners in a yet insightful manner. Now let's look for the intermediate level. 4. Day Trading and Swing Trading the Currency Market by Kathy Learn. Overview. This book dives into specific trading strategies for day and swing trading. Learn discusses market dynamics and how to capitalize on price movements. 5. A Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. Overview. A comprehensive guide to technical analysis. This book teaches you how to analyze charts, indicators, and patterns. It's essential for developing a solid trading strategy. 6. The Complete Guide to Forex Trading by James Chen. Overview. Chen's book offers insights into advanced trading techniques and market analysis, helping intermediate traders refine their strategies and decision-making processes. Advanced level. 7. A Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book focuses on the psychological aspects of trading, emphasizing the importance of discipline and a proper mindset. It's crucial for advanced traders looking to maintain consistency. 8. The New Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder. Overview. Elder combines psychology, technical analysis, and risk management in this updated classic. It provides advanced strategies and insights into maintaining a successful trading routine. 9. A Forex Price Action Scalping by Bob Vollman. Overview. For those interested in scalping, Vollman's book provides an in-depth look at price action strategies and techniques for short-term trading. Learning strategy. 1. Read sequentially. Start with beginner books and gradually move to intermediate and advanced texts to build a solid foundation. 2. Take notes. Highlight key concepts and create summaries for each book to reinforce your learning. 3. Practice regularly. Use demo accounts to apply what you've learned. Experiment with different strategies and refine your approach. 4. Join online forums. Engage with communities of traders to discuss insights, ask questions, and share experiences. 5. Stay updated. The Forex market evolves constantly. Follow relevant blogs, podcasts, and news to keep up with new trends and strategies. Conclusion. By following this structured level from newbie to complex, you can progress from a newbie to an advanced Forex trader. Consistent practice and active engagement with the trading community will further enhance your skills and confidence in the Forex market and later become more comfortable. Click on the link below video description to download PDF listed here. Thank you.